Hi everyone, Peter here and welcome back to my channel. But before we get to this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's do an unboxing. This was given to me as a gift from a fellow Delta Goodrem fan, so let's open it up. Look at that work. Look at that work. How do I begin? First we have is Delta Goodrem Only Santa Knows signed CD. See? Love Delta. Let's open it up real quick. This is very well packaged. Wow, impressed, Australia. Impressed. So let's see this signed booklet. Let's see, Goodrem, Delta, Love Delta, Heart Delta. Let's see the inside. So we have Only Santa Knows with the lyrics and the snow globe. That's so high fashion. Like, that's like high end, like Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue. Merry Christmas to you. Basically, all of her, well, she only had 2 original songs in here, and those are the lyrics that are in here because everything else is a cover. Yeah, just thank yous and stuff. Yeah, songs, credits, and stuff, and the thank yous. Thank yous, thank you there. Box. That box is heavier than Delta? Doubt it. There he is, and happy. This looks kind of bald-headed there. So let's open this. Oh, it's a little Christmassy. It's official too. On my camera. Because I know like Welcome to Earth was like a CD, burned CD. Okay, cool. Fit both booklets in there. And there you have it. Cool. Here we have it. Here we have it. Woo! So excited. Thank you. Okay, so we have this next. And here we have the, oh yeah. We have the Delta Goodrem t-shirt. In the back says Only Santa Knows. It mainly highlights the red border. Everything is black. Oh, her lips are red too. I'll probably wear this for Christmas. Oh, I like it. It's kind of glittery. If you can see the glittery texture. Yeah. This is great to go like under a blazer next Christmas. Yeah. Next we have is this. What's this and this one? It's her snow globe. Oh wow. What is this? Sorry, I just want to see. And here we have her snow globe. It's plastic, of course. Dang air bubble. I wonder if you can take it out because I kind of want to put glitter in here. Yes, you can. You can. You can. Oh my gosh. I wish you put glitter in this. So yeah, there you go. Only Santa Knows. I have yet to hear this album because I was waiting for this to arrive. Yeah, that's it. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, that's the snow globe. This must be the vinyl. The vinyl. Here it is. Okay, it's just her signed vinyl is just the same signed thing. Piece of paper. I didn't want to open it, but yeah, here it's, that's the front and that's the back. I kinda wanna listen to this. I'll open this one up. Oh, it's kind of dented in there, see? So, oh, it's so cute. Look at how festive is this. No, it's gonna damage. You see that? Oh yeah. This scares me. Every time when I get something new on vinyl, it's so hard. Yeah, that's it. I need to take a picture of this to let them see what happened. It's a good thing I checked. See, look at that. Oof. What do you guys think about everything? I mean, everything is pretty cool. Basically, it's a delta of everything Christmassy. Yeah. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night where everyone's at. Okay, bye. Mwah.